9 superfruits for fresh squeezed juices to boost your health and longevity. Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're looking to live a longer, healthier life, fresh squeezed juices are a great way to get all those essential vitamins and nutrients. Today I'll be sharing 9 incredible fruits that can transform your health and keep you feeling vibrant for years to come. Let's dive in. First, oranges. Visual. Oranges being sliced and juiced. First up, oranges. Packed with vitamin C, oranges strengthen your immune system, keeping you healthy and preventing illness. Plus, they're loaded with antioxidants that fight off harmful free radicals. 2. Pomegranates. Visual. Pomegranate seeds being juiced. Pomegranates are rich in antioxidants too, especially punicalagin, which helps reduce inflammation and protects your heart. It's a powerhouse for maintaining youthful skin and promoting longevity. Third, apples. Visual, green apples being juiced. An apple a day really does keep the doctor away. Apples contain soluble fiber and polyphenols that support gut health and reduce the risk of chronic diseases like diabetes. Fourth, pineapple. Visual, pineapple chunks being pressed. Pineapple not only tastes amazing but also helps with digestion thanks to bromelain. This enzyme supports gut health and reduces inflammation in the body. 5. Grapefruit. Visual, grapefruits being squeezed. If you're looking to boost metabolism and burn fat, grapefruit is your go-to. It's also great for lowering cholesterol and controlling blood pressure. 6. Watermelon. Visual, watermelon chunks being juiced. Watermelon juice is incredibly hydrating and full of vitamins A and C. It also contains lycopene, which promotes heart health and reduces the risk of cancer. 7. Berries. Blueberries, strawberries, raspberries. Visual, a mix of berries being juiced. Berries are tiny but mighty. Packed with antioxidants and fiber, they help fight inflammation, protect your brain, and slow down aging. 8. Lemon. Visual, lemons being squeezed into a glass. Lemons are a great way to detox your body. Rich in vitamin C and other antioxidants, they support liver function, improve digestion, and give your immune system a major boost. 9. Carrots. Visual, carrots being juiced with a vibrant orange hue. And finally, carrots. While technically a veggie, carrot juice is filled with beta-carotene, which promotes eye health, glowing skin, and cancer prevention. Outro. Visual. All juices poured into glasses, vibrant colours. So there you have it, 9 superfruits and 1 veggie to keep you feeling energised and healthy. Make fresh juice a daily habit and watch how it transforms your well-being. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health tips like this from my channel. And if you have any questions about videos like this one, leave them in the comments below.